Hello guys, good morning, good morning. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? I hope everything is okay. Hello, hello everyone, good morning. Sleepy, yeah, me too. Trying to trade London session, it was super annoying. You know, I'm not going to even try to do this. Chappy morning on gold. I'm going to talk about this in a moment. I will talk about silver and gold, and I will tell you why I decided to pick a silver trade. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Who traded Asia Killzone yesterday on gold? Let me change the settings. Yeah, thank you for letting me know. Forgot to change the date. Hello, hello, guys. How are you doing so today? And yeah, by the way, guys, someone saw yesterday a long trade on gold. It was it was amazing yesterday. It was So okay, guys, let's talk about gold and silver. So what I saw this morning, gold, and I'm not going to lie. Like when I saw price action on gold, I was like, it feels tricky because I don't want to sell over and I want to see equal lows. I choose a setup, so basically a potential 30-minute sweep. We got sweep over here. I just set up team at OB, and as you can see, we got 2R, but I'm not going to like in real time, this setup was like 50-50. And I was like, should I try this? But once again, in real time, it wasn't that obvious. Like in hindsight, yeah, we got perfect move, like no questions. But when I saw this in real time, I was like, it seems strange. But once again, we have, I don't know, let's talk about this later. So we have equal lows lower, and honestly, like if I was on this trade, I would take partial for 2R, and I left right to equal lows. As you can see, we got 2R and immediate reversal from there. I didn't take this; it wasn't for me. What I saw on silver this morning, it was 5-minute chart. If I go on hourly chart, as you can see, I highlighted hourly propulsion block. So why I did that? Oh, you cannot see my chart. I'm so sorry, guys. Why I did that? So as you can see, every single order block before this was respected. So I saw this propulsion block and I saw price retrace to this level. So basically we got the closure, then immediate retest with next candle. And okay, I was like, okay, it must offer potential sweep as a reaction from this early order block. And as you can see, yes, we got this order, like potential sweep as reaction from order block. And entry had to be over here. So basic, okay, from here. Like I had to enter here, but I had to enter like at 6:35 a.m. I wasn't even at home at this time. So my initial entry, which I didn't see, of course, had to be here with stop loss above swing high, and my target had to be hourly flat candle or 1 hour untapped fair value gap. Right? Okay, I miss this. So what I was waiting for? I was waiting for the test of order block, like next order block and fair value gap. So we got the test of order block and we got the test of fair value gap. So I decided to give it a try to enter a reaction from fair value gap with stop loss above these highs. And my target was hourly flat candle. And and let me show the trade. And here's the execution. As you can see, I entered as reaction um, from this 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, that's okay. My bad. As reaction from this 5-minute fair value gap over here, and I was aiming for hourly flat candle. So I traded one mini contract, and I got $600 on this trade. As you can see, immediately went in my favor. Honestly, I expected to get that, like immediately in my favor. Happy with this trade. Overall good trade, in my humble opinion. And let's see what will happen next, because on gold it's still left. It's still left equal lows lower. But I am still bullish because we have hourly manipulation leg, and manipulation leg forcing deviation of this leg at 37.02. So my final target, I'm not sure if it's going to happen today, maybe preferably, but my final target is going to be 36.02 for the next 2 days, including today. But initial plan was we taking out equal lows. I'm looking for long like this. Maybe slightly lower, like slightly lower, taking this loss as well. I would like to look for long to aim for 37.02. So far, I just feel like maybe I'm wrong, but I just feel like it was reversal from nowhere. Yeah, it was, as always, like a 2R, and that's it. You were looking for Asia low. I know, like, maybe acceptable. I need this move down. I need to take some sort of liquidity level before looking for longs, right? So I'm not on this long trade and probably going to wait for more obvious picture to enter the trade. Like nothing here. Guys, can you see any entry right now for long? Let me know. Because maybe I'm blind. But I feel like I just don't mind to see slightly lower first. Okay, it's 5-minute short. 30-minute fair value gap. Give me 1 sec. Which one? Oh, I mean this one. Like knowing that we have equal lows lower makes me feel like I know. But you're right about this. I didn't see that before. Well, we have 30-minute fair value gap. After this, we got double sweep. Remember, I was talking about double sweep several times already. Double sweep, good confirmation for retracement or reversal. Oh my god, I just feel like I would like to see equal lows first. But once again, not going to stick to this because still bullish market. Okay, seems like we just got order block here, but okay, guys, I'm going to wait a bit more. I just don't feel like I need to long right now, even if it's going to be like a straight move up to 37.02. Yeah, like 7 points stop loss, like not worth it, just for now. You'll try a next order block? Yeah. Like key level for today, maybe for tomorrow, but preferably for today, 37.02.7. So that's my, if I'm going to enter long and I see perfect long opportunity, I will aim for 37.02 level. I'm going to highlight this on my Ninja Trader as well. I just feel like it's going to be on gold, like straight move up to 37.02. I'm like no FOMO right now. It's okay. Once again, if I'm not comfortable with trades, I'm not going to touch this. But pretty sure. Let me see where is 2R. Just interesting to see. It's 1.5, 1.54. Yeah, it's projection level. I know. Yeah, I'm not going to touch this. It just like this is not worth it at all. Silver also respecting hourly fair value gap, as you can see, but there is no smart money reversal just yet. Okay, guys, I'm not going to touch this long. It's not for me. If it's going to be once again straight move up to 37.02, okay, I'm going to just miss this trade. Okay, let's see. Like, it's only like 9:12. We have time, right? So we don't need to worry about this at all. What about ES and NQ? It's building low resistance to downside. It's old levels, guys. I did not highlight this yet. I'm going to keep 30-minute flat candle on my chart because yesterday it failed to take this level on both ES and NQ. But and you know, like I'm overall bullish on NQ and ES to previous week high level. Let's see what we have in for chart. Can you check here? Yeah, of course, in a moment. Give me 1 second. Maybe by the way we can trade this today. Guys, bullish or bearish on NQ today? Let me know. I just feel like I would like to see move lower first, preferable to 700 level. I'm just trying to analyze. Maybe it will offer like a plus setup. If not, then like, who cares? Okay, question is. There's no question yet. I think so. I think like if it's going to close below this blue line to offer propulsion block, it's going to be more bearish. Maybe like this. Considering like low resistance to downside. I cannot say like I'm bearish for the day, but like 700 can be taken within 10 minutes, right? And after this, we can get reversal. Okay, we didn't get the closure, as you can see just yet. We don't have propulsion block, but we do have this propulsion block on ES. Yeah. So probably my plan something like this. Closure below blue line, look for short to aim for a 700 level. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Obviously, I cannot see any like solid setup right now on Q to trade something. But plan is, where is my mouse? Plan is going to be closure below blue line, then look for short. I'm going to be bearish at this point. Right? Let's wait. Let's see. I'm keeping my eyes on gold. Once again, I have really. Connect. Sorry, guys. I just turned on my laptop. Okay. Once again, on gold, keeping my eyes right now. Once again, double sweep normally is a good sign of reversal, retracement, mostly reversal. That's why, like I said, probably it's going to be just straight move up to 37.02. Your chart looks somehow different. What instrument you're looking for right now? Like looking at right now, it's gold, it's CFD, or it's futures. Oh, on NQ. Maybe you're looking on MNQ. That's 15-minute chart, just in case. Okay. You know, like sometimes like MNQ and NQ looks completely different. Guys, I have a plan to trade NQ today, not NQ. No, thank you. Gold today. No, thank you. Forget what I said. Come on, Dasha. What are you talking about? Yeah. I didn't take long as well. So once again, it's totally possible to see a straight move up to 2702, but I know, like, considering like equal lows lower, it makes me, it's really just looks tricky at this point. Can you look at silver? Absolutely. It's okay. We may try to find something during the AM session. I hope so, at least. All right, we still inside for value gap, early for value gap on silver. Looking for a problem move higher if it's going to close it above this blue line. This point will be bullish setup. Other than take profit trade like TradingView, my funded futures. You know, like my top three is TradingView, my funded futures, and take profit trader. Best one. So we don't have the closure just yet, so probably I'm not going to continue trade. I took only trade on silver this morning. I showed executions before, and that's it. I don't mind to take some trades on gold, preferably long on gold, but I just feel like it's not the right spot to enter here. My initial plan this morning, like with dropping down to equal lows, maybe slightly lower, I'm looking for long to aim to 3702. Plan failed. Well, I got Tradify straight to funded. Trading them so far, but also trade my funded futures. But Tradify, like I like straight to funded option, right? It's nice option. Buy side, oh yeah, like give me 1 second, I'm going to show you. Going to send link in the chat. Just change colors, like any colors you like. Maybe you like custom, like default colors, not custom. Once again, my key level for today, 3702. But really, like I really need just a little bit lower first. You got core plan? I do trade core plan with my funded futures as well. I got 150k with Tradify straight to funded. Would like to try to size up somehow, like just start doing this. On 50k is kind of hard to do this, but time to learn how to trade a bit bigger size. So if you're going to get straight to funded, so from Tradify, if you saw their updates yesterday, so there is no minimum days for payout on straight to funded account, and I believe 5 trading days on growth and advanced. So straight to funded, there is no minimum trading days. I traded yesterday. Yes, I took the trade. This trade. It was my entry was at 757 yesterday. Yes, exactly. I trade silver exactly the same time with gold because I use silver for SMT with gold. Yeah, Guys, always build the buffer, always, no matter what. You closed, where did you enter? Over here? Like 1 to 1? With trade to funded yesterday, we saw updates, new updates. With trade to funded, uh, there is no this option anymore. Like no trading days. Yeah, like 5 trading days on evaluations, like not evaluations, like advanced and gross but for straight to funded, there is no minimum trading days anymore. I believe it's for new accounts. My disk, in order to trade silver, because silver really like it's easy to blow account trading silver. Guys, if you're new to gold and silver, don't try to trade silver for now because it's so easy to blow account because uh micro silver and silver looks really different in my opinion. And that's why I execute 1 mini always on silver. And my risk, I did a small risk, like tight stop loss always, because my risk per trade is $300, so I need really like tight stop loss. So normally I go for more than 2 hours at this point. So I aim for the levels that I was aiming if my stop loss was at the right place. So for example, today my risk was on that trade, not here. I didn't trade here. I put my stop loss at this level over here. So basically I was risking $175 to make $600. You brought so yeah, I just recommend you guys stick to gold. It's much easier to trade micro there than trade on silver. Can you trade? Yes, you can trade it on FX. It's micro silver. So it's about to close. Let's see what will happen next. But even with this, like, okay, closure, stop loss is going to be huge, really huge. So with 1 minute, it's going to be at least like $500-600 per trade. No, thank you. So I will look for the trade still on gold. I like this reaction, by the way, from hourly untapped fair value gap. But once again, I just feel like when I was analyzing silver, lots of time, like almost always, chart with micro silver and silver a bit different, which makes this hard to trade. Execute, for example, analyze on silver, but execute on micro silver. While on micro gold and gold, it looks pretty much the same. I just feel like gold is going to be straight move up to 3702. But once again, as we discussed before, this like long of the stimulant OB is just 1.5R. It's not even 2R. Can find, okay, on Trader, you need to type, I'm going to let you know to be more specific. It's going to be a silver, like micro, September 25. No, not September, December, my bad. December 25. But guys, I will record a quick recap today on trade on silver to explain this. Again, hello guys who just joined. Hello, good morning. See guys, power of double sweep, triple sweep, double sweep. Always good confirmation for potential reversal. But once again, like knowing that we have equal lows lower makes me feel like, like it's 50-50. Do you trade M and Q? Yeah, from time to time. Not always. Not every day. I have better relationship with NQ recently. But my plan is probably, if it's going to close below blue line, look for short to 700 level. But guys, I will stick to gold. I just love this more. See, just like straight move up to 3702. It's scam gold. I think like it's scam. What are you doing with us? Because I yeah, I mean like no rush. I already have 1 million trade, but preferable to get one more. We just swept Asia low on yes, okay. But funny to say once again, when you see setup like potential 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB, let's say you enter the trade. If you see it immediately went in your favor, you're gonna get win. It's going to be win trade. If it's going to be like chop, absolutely garbage consolidation, most likely it's going to stop you out. I know how it works, but from my experience, it always like this. I wasn't scared to enter, but once again, I just saw like even with 5 micros, risk for this trade was more than $400. Like entry in deep premium. I would say like okay, it was A setup, but not A plus. What would have made it low? Be protected low. Okay, Daniel. Remember I talk about this many times, but protected low or protected high forms normally once we got break of structure. So what do I mean by this? We got break of structure to upside over here. We got the closure above swing high. So here is a protected high. Okay, protected low. Another swing high. We got the closure above the swing high. Here's a protected low. This means we don't want to see price breaking below this low anymore. And we don't have any other like break of structure yet. But protected low depends on if we have break of structure or we don't have break of structure. Because if it's going to be, let's say we didn't get the closure here above the swing high. Let me change the color. Let's say we didn't get the closure above the swing high. It just weak. So far, just sweep. And this means this low not protected yet. At all. At all. But once we got the closure, yes, we have protected low. Let me show you where I put my projections. I see lots of questions about this. Gold feels like it's going to scam us, but happy I'm not on trade just yet. Let me try to find because I don't remember where I pulled these projections. Which time frame I used, I don't remember. I believe, yeah, 1 hour. So I used yesterday, and someone actually told me to use this leg. So yesterday we got the very last move down before reversal. So from this swing high to this swing low, I pulled projections. And here's the force and deviation. Make sense? Let me see. You said 3-minute chart. So the candle break of 3-minute OB, exactly. So once we got the closure above swing high over here, it's protected low. You're welcome. So far it was like 3702, but we needed 3702.7. You got it. That's nice, actually. Just stick to the model. Trade in the direction of trend. But I still feel scammed right now. Like, what was the problem? Take equal lows. I could be in this long to aim for 3707, 02.7. As you can see, I still didn't hit this level. I'm going to keep my eyes. Continue keeping my eyes on this level. Yes, I do use silver for SMT with gold. And yeah, it doesn't. Once again, when it's bullish, like be asking for too much for the tracement. But once again, as I said before, if it's going to close below blue line, I will look for short for like for 700 level. Otherwise, not going to touch this at all. I don't want to long. Approaching like 60 points away from previous week high level. Like if no closure, probably previous week high is going to be taken first. It should be right news. Yes, it should. Microsilver is okay. Let me see. No. Microsilver is SIL on NinjaTrader. Let me connect Epics. I will show. I will check this. 1 second. Epics needs to enter password and login. Cannot connect right now because I decided my NinjaTrader needs to connect this again. Don't want to look for password right now or username. I will check this, guys. Okay. Okay. Forgot that I need to connect this again. It's interesting because every single time when I create new workspace, like new layout on NinjaTrader, it resets all my connections. I connected everything but not Apex. Forgot about this. We'll do after stream. Gold hit, of course, because like why not? All right, it's okay. No, it's not okay. Like, come on. But still, once again, double sweep model was here. Yeah, just huge stop loss, but maybe that's acceptable. Once again, entry at the open of next candle, stop below swing low, and we were aiming for this level. As I said before, 1.54. Like, not 2R, but who cares? Like, not 2R, it's okay. At least, like I'm overall happy to see like model still presents itself, and like literally we got two entries today, entry after entry. Like here's potential SIP entry, just 2R and reversal from nowhere. Like okay, 30-minute fair value gap, then like left equal lows, which is okay. Like okay, created potential SIP, but double SIP maybe was ready confirmation. Double SIP strong. Guys, keep in mind when we have double SIP, it's strong confirmation of potential retracement reversal. Let's see where it's going to be 2R over here. Oh my god. Traded silver today, not gold, silver. Got my $100 per account. Got this trade, just in case. I'm going to record quick recap today after stream. And trade here. My stop loss was swing low over here. Was aiming for hourly fair value gap. Traded one mini contract. Like not even said. Like I missed this trade. It's okay. Not really missed. Like it's okay. Yeah, look at this. Like we got sweep. We got sweep. See this, guys? Yesterday was exactly the same case with short on NQ. Remember before I finished I finished this stream, we discussed this entry. This entry before I finished stream. Absolutely ugly entry, but it is what it is. So also was double sweep. How big chance today on NQ to drop to 700 level? Who knows? Where's equal lows on gold? It was easier to see on 15-minute chart. Like, okay, maybe not perfect equal lows, but still. I'm thinking if gold won't solve for another entry for me today. On NQ needs to see 15-minute order block. It's 1 hour manipulation leg projection, 4 standard deviation, 3702. Final target is just 2R. That's it. PM session yesterday was absolutely garbage, but I spotted one setup and it played out, but still it was absolutely garbage. 730. I agree. Like, we all want to see 700 level, but we all know as well it's not going to go there because NQ forgot what retracement is, what this means. So no matter how bad we want to see lower, NQ doesn't care about this at all. Yeah. You were aiming for 2R? Good job. Yeah, I would close the trade here as well. Because we're at all-time high. What level higher? What level higher do we have? Like, okay, guys, our projection's done. Let's try to pull another projections. The very last move down before reversal was here. I know what kind of level we should aim for. We just hit 2.5. Next level, 37.16. But no, enough for now. Mm. By the pretty much similar setup on Euro today. As you can see, we got potential SIP right on 30-minute chart. Let's see what level we hit. Okay, we hit very well. You got, but we already hit this before. Also, we hit, as you can see, this hourly OB, right? So as the action from hourly order block, 3-minute OB with potential 30-minute SIP. Yeah, someone asked me. I guess someone asked me because he saw this setup, right? Yeah, it offered 2R. Good trade if you took this. Let's see if NQ can close below this level here. So at this point, it will offer shift and structure to downside. It's struggling for now. It's okay. Just need to wait more. Ideal for me to go to 700 level. How it goes, who knows? How big range? Like 40 points range. Okay. Like closure below this line over here on 15-minute chart will offer 3-minute OB as well as potential 30-minute sweep. Then probably something like this. So waiting for change in the state of delivery first. Not touching any shorts yet. But we'll look for something like this once we can get change in the state of delivery. This setup. So it's potential. 3-minute OB. Not order block yet, so that's why I don't want to take any trades yet. No reason for this at least. For example, here's another example. We got double SIP right here. Not confirmed yet, unfortunately. Maybe fortunately. but we got double sweep over here as well. Come on. Yeah, once this double sweep confirmed by 3-minute OB, I will look probably something like this. Let's see what levels I have. I did not highlight Asia low yet. MNQ. So far, absolutely nothing is going on. Nothing I like. So once again, all we have is potential 30-minute sweep, not confirmed by 3-minute order block yet. All I know, I'm not going to short at current price level. Probably will look for retracement if it's going to hit previous week high level, or it's going to break below this blue line to offer shift in structure. Like right now, no short. But also kind of hard to look for long. There's some news at 10. Yeah, I know. Hope it's going to, at least we'll try to retrace to 700 level. I know I'm asking for too much. As always. Yeah, Lightning. Yes, exactly. Lightning. They used to be straight to fund and they changed to Lightning. Yeah. You want to see a minter short to that 5-minute fair value gap on NQ and then drop. Okay, let's see. What news at 10 I'm gonna check right now for you. Today is Tuesday, right? Forex Factory says nothing. Financial juice. Let's see there. 10 a.m. We have some news at 10. I cannot see this by the way in Forex Factory, but it says like it's going to be probably red folder news. Let's see, let's see. By the way, once we hit 30,000 people on my channel, it's going to be huge giveaway again. Once we hit 30K subscribers, huge giveaway. Be close to this, so yeah. Yeah, I know. You can check at this website. Also good resources to check news, reports, blah, blah, blah. You never find my name. Okay. Thank you, George. So NQ just stuck right now, short and coming. Let's see if we may close below blue line. So I will probably look for a move like this. Oh, you're welcome. I'm happy to be helpful, you know. Or another setup is going to be probably the same idea, but after previous week high level. Taken. Okay, let's jump between charts. Absolutely nothing is going on so far, and so we're right now inside retracement area 2 and 2.5. Anticipate to get retraced to 1 and 1.5. So let's see if it's going to like drop to 3700 level. Nothing on silver. We'll stay on NQ for now, so we don't have choice. After red folder news. And like 12 minutes left. You know, maybe it's going to offer 3-minute OB and news just going to offer straight move down to our target. What's CL? Exactly. Let's check what CL is doing. Oh, nothing. Absolutely nothing. And that's 3-minute chart. Yeah. We'll sit with NQ for now. Investing.com. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna check this. I'm not going to switch on 1-minute chart. It makes no sense. We'll stick to 3-minute chart. Okay, probably waiting for closure to offer shift in structure. You want to see Asia low? I would like to see 700 level, but maybe I'm asking for too much. Like, here's potential idea. Not sure about exact entry yet. On ES, let's check on ES by the way. 30-minute flat candle looks so good. 64.89 level. Seems like NQ building liquidity at those highs. We will see. Okay, probably is going to. Are you serious? What was the problem to close below blue line? Okay, going to wait for another 3 minutes. What was the problem? Even on MNQ did not close there. Are you serious? I hate when we close to potential order block, it closes above this level and then immediately offering displacement. It's always so hard to stay away and waiting for closure. Always. New day opening gap at 800 level. Preferable to see 700. Gonna wait. Let's see what we have on ES right now. I'm not bearish, I'm just aiming for move down. It's target from yes, the 30-minute flat candle, then potential reaction from there. Would like to get long from discount, not from premium. On MNQ, we also didn't get the closure, keeping my eyes. Yeah, yesterday it had to take 700 level. It failed by how many points? A lot, by the way, like 60 points. But at the same time, ES was so close to flat candle. I would say it was 3 ticks away, as always, of course. Probably if it's going to offer 3-minute OB, I will look for the trade like on NQ, but I will close this short probably if ES is going to hit this level first. Not going to wait for 20-minute flat candle on NQ. Give us a top, please. Please. Maybe on gold something. Still possible. Of course, it closed above this level. Are you serious? Oh my god. Once again, it's like not no FOMO. Nope, nope, nope. My target probably, as I said, maybe I will aim for 30-minute flat candle on ES. If it's going to hit this level first, I will close the trade on NQ. Oh my god. What was the problem to close? Just tell me. Always happens with me. But once again, we have double sweep. Please. Don't act like this. Okay. Let's check ES. Because we're waiting for something, so. By the way, that's interesting because ES offered order block a long time ago. What a scam. Yeah, news in 5 minutes. I'm too. Why you said that? I'm going to question right now this setup. If I should enter right now or wait for 3 minutes OB. Don't tell me this, please. Again. You know, like 30-minute potential SIP also works on NQ. Like, for example, we're looking for this setup right now. I'm not sure if it's going to like play today because we don't have 3-minute OB yet. But normally we want to trade in the direction of high from trend or the reaction from high from level. So it's going to be high probability at this point. Not like if you see like 30-minute potential sweep at the middle of nowhere, like nowhere, probably it's not going to work. It either must be reaction from high from level to anticipate retracement, or just continuation in the direction of high from trend. So no closure yet. I'm sitting with 1 million trade so far on silver. You know, happy with this. I will record a recap later today, like a short recap. After stream. And keep playing games, but probably it's waiting for news, right? So obviously we don't have short opportunity yet, like at all. I wouldn't enter short here. It's just because we have nothing to short. We have 0 signs of reversal. We don't have shift in structure, so I'm not touching shorts yet. We'll look for short only below this blue line. If it's not going to close for some reason, which is also possible, I probably will wait for the break above previous week high level. And then exactly the same idea. Like we're going up, 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 taking this previous week high level, looking for trade. Let's full port short. Unfortunately, no entry yet. Oh, seems like, let me see. I'm trying to compare M and Q. Oh, it's the same. Never mind. Maybe my, like I don't like to say like maybe, but we will see. Yeah, I go to the gym every morning at 4:40. I wake up at 4:47 a.m. I'm usually at the gym at 5. Yeah, every day, even on Saturday and Sunday. Your comments visible, don't worry. Did you ask something before? Can you please copy and paste your question again? London sessions. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah. We're still waiting for 3-minute OB, but right now the only issue with the 3-minute OB, it's going to be right at news. Okay, we're trying to be patient. On gold, gold done. Silver as well. Everything is nice. Gold was amazing. I took a trade yesterday during Asia kill zone. I took a short on silver today. Not on gold, on silver. No, on silver it was better. See the scam, guys? No closure again. Oh my goodness, come on. No closure, no trades, no closure, no trades. We don't have short setup yet. Are you serious? Let's scam begin exactly. Look at this, right to force an deviation. Still amazing, so still amazing move. Approaching this level. Gold, as always, amazing. Exactly. Gold is golden. Exactly. It's amazing. Like once again, I'm going to repeat this many times. Compare chart on gold and NQ. Where's my closure? Look at this scam. So it was trying to it was trying to close here, 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 like okay, 4 times. Okay, at least 2K low. Why market makers making money, but we are not? If it's really going to drop to our final TP that we discussed before, it's going to be scam because where is entry? Just tell me. Once again, maybe there was entry on 1 minute chart. Well, be ready for this. Straight move down. Hmm? By the way, look at ES. ES did nothing. Basically, we have like some sort of SMT. There was no entry on 1 minute chart. Mm. Mm. Yeah, it looks kind of. You hating Q? Oh, come on! Like it's fine. It's still like it's still okay. Like it didn't offer entry, unfortunately. but at least it's trying to do that we discussed before. Let's see if it's going to it's just going to probably scam us. But so far, as you can see, just a SIP in Asia low doesn't want to displace. We're about to get the closure, but with this closure over here, it doesn't make any sense to look for entry at this current price level. Oh. What are you doing? Do, 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 do. Well, guys, let's try to look for some trades then. For a trade. Yeah, it's sweeps there. I saw that. I even highlighted. And it's this sweep confirmed by 15-minute. Okay, it's bearish setup. Where is stop loss? Where should I put stop loss? Like below this level? Above this level, not below. Let's see where I can enter. So not going to just don't see entry right now at all. Just trying to see where I can enter. Like, okay, that's pretty much balanced move here. Like, let's see if it's going to detest this area. Look for trade maybe of this area with stop loss at swing high. I know yet. I guess my concern is, guys, look at ES. ES just is doing nothing, but it's exactly what happened yesterday. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not going to force it, especially with my win this morning. I can actually try with just like 4 micros. Gold drop hard. Wow. That's actually crazy. Let me clean my chart a little bit. And you know, I remember I talked about this yesterday. When you see like huge drop and you're like, what level we expected? But we didn't expect any level because we're at all-time high. And always when I see the picture like this, I'm like, what should I do? I mean, like, yeah, I'm watching in queue, like no interest yet. Still flat, like, it's okay. Where is my... Still flat. Let's switch on 1 minute chart. See this 1 minute chart, like fully balanced leg. Like, okay, where it wants to retrace, maybe inversion. But it's, you know, that's hardest part because you're trying to find the entry and you like, what level should I use for this? But yes, it traced to my key area. Guys, can you see this? Like, it's a big difference with other blocks. See this? Over here? Oh no, it's the same. Interesting area right now to look for the trade. Which level should I use? Okay, we just traced to 5 minute OB. Sorry guys, I'm just jumping to between time frames to see what level we expected because we have 0 fair value gaps as this move down. Just trying to see maybe we expected some sort of like 5 minute levels or 3 minute levels. On 3 minute chart, it looks really garbage. There's a trade. Once again, I'm not going to force it because I clearly can see like no good entry yet. Gold keep dropping. We may actually look for gold trade. Oh, no way to enter the gold trade. Right now, it's going to take equal lows. That's biggest scam in this world. Long had to happen from equal lows to 3702. Instead, just reversal from nowhere to 3702 and run to equal lows. Ech. Yeah, there were news at 10. Yeah, we have war news as well. Yeah, I saw that. At this point, CL must go up. But nothing. Display out, so going to move. Gold, what was the problem to take equal lows before so we could get amazing 16, 17 points trade? Equal highs, you mean on NQ? Good job, good job. Profit is profit, right? Easy short. Never say like something is easier because nothing is easy in this world. Look how we got the test of random Friday high from from last week. Okay, I wouldn't say it was easy. I mean, like, look at this rejection. Where would you enter, like, fair value gap? Like, as in my opinion, SMT is not enough to consider this as strong, like, trade. I have no idea, but don't ask me about NQ. I'm watching NQ right now. I just see absolutely nothing good there. Once I see like really entry, I will let you know. But NQ 30-second chart, 30-second chart. You serious? See, we got another double sweep. The lows you can destroy. It had set up. Guys, are you serious? It's 30-second chart? Oh, we like unicorn setup? Wow, okay. Now it's pump time. I mean, like, looks like this right now. Okay, gold left equal lows, still lower, like created one more swing here. Okay, let's see if it's going to drop to 3680. So pretty and you stop saying this. Yeah, absolutely. Here's 30-second chart. I know, like, absolutely nothing I like on NQ and ES. The only chance where I want to trade like was somewhere here to short. But once again, nothing that I like so far. I will not long, that's all I know. Would like to see, let's switch on gold, guys. I really would like to switch on gold to look for short, to aim for equal lows. That's pretty much it, like 10 points away. But where is the entry? No setup for someone said like the worst setup at 30-second chart. Thirty 36.77. Okay. You want to see that, right? At least 36.80, then we will see it. So we have fair value gap. Since, like we got two expansions here, I would like to consider this as breakaway gap. Okay, going to feature the micro gold right now. MGC. Obviously not minis right now. And your chart equal lows taken. Let me see. Funny to say, but micro gold does not have any equal lows at all. On my chart, it never taken, so would like to get maybe trade on gold. Just not sure about it. Okay, let's see if we get any trades. I switch on micro gold. We'll trade 5 micros, not more. And let's see what level we have on gold. Let's highlight some liquidity levels because sometimes micro gold is different. Liquidity over here. And that's it for now. What's the level? Okay. It's same level, same liquidity level. I would say micro gold did not take equal lows as well. What else I would like to highlight? I would like to highlight fair value gap to see how we're going to respect this fair value gap. Small volume imbalance, but I normally don't consider volume imbalance at all. And also on my gold chart, I'm going to highlight 50%, like OT of this range. Okay, gonna wait a little bit. So we got 2 expansion candles. Normally, that's a good sign for breakaway gap, but we already traced this fair value gap, which is not good to see. Yeah, I see volume imbalance. I really would like to see equal lows taken at 80.9. Maybe I'm watching right now like OT retracement since we already traced this breakaway gap. It's probably, yes, it's probably a scam. Let's see. Pre-market was amazing, so I'm not going to like blame market right now for bad price action. It's offered like lots of good opportunities. So I'm happy I got winning trade today. But I don't want to take another trade on gold. Since my trade was on silver this morning, I need something on gold. Also, I took long on during Asia Kill Zone yesterday. So far, 2 winning trades with my 2 attempts. And would like to get maybe another trade on gold. Maybe silver. Look at silver. We got also potential sweep, and we just did trace to the stimulant fair value gap as well. But I will execute on gold if it's what to offer setup. What is lows? I see equal lows at 80, but also we have Asia low slightly lower at 77, I believe. Going to trade micro gold MGC. That's right. how big? It kind of feels like huge range right now, even on gold. They told me like September price action is going to be easy. Thank you. I miss you. Please. Well, like 1 year ago, NQ was amazing. Last 3 months, in my humble opinion, that's garbage. NQ. Yes. You send me messages? Where? Let me know where. Hello, hello. As I said, looks like Seek and Destroy. On NQ, yes. Send 5 imagery. Oh, thank you. There is no trading. Like, we will see. So, once again, every day is trading day. We're not forcing trades, so we're trying to be patient right now. That's it. So, no complaints about this. NQ is garbage. Every day isn't trading day. Depends. Depends on your strategy. Okay, all right. What I would like to see on gold so bad is equal lows. Then probably this low, but I'm not sure about this. For now, only this equal lows. Beautiful price action. Are you serious? I have hard time to understand jokes sometimes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, nothing to watch on queue right now. It's just garbage. Watching still gold. Would like to see equals. I have no idea how much time it needs to offer setup. We still trading inside 3-minute fair value gap on gold. I know, let's see. Yeah, ES looks so bad. It's just barcode so far. Hello, Seek and Destroy. Hello, hello. I mean, nothing to trade right now. Fortunately or unfortunately. Yeah. I will keep my eyes on equals anyway, even if it wants to offer like 99% retracement up again to OT or 70.5%. Really would like to see. Maybe later today, maybe tomorrow, equals at 3680. Maybe Asia will offer setup. From 5-minute for value gap, it's in deep premium, right? Okay. Let's see. Maybe we can get some shorts later. We just inverted the 3-minute fair value gap with absolutely zero other setups. Okay. Settings. Yeah, I will stream PM session again on Tradify TV every single day from Monday to Friday. Yesterday it was like 2 hours of consolidation to get simply 30 points move, right? I still believe backtesting is perfect to um, build your strategy, improve your strategy. Like you can backtest even if you're like extremely profitable. Still, maybe you'll find something new, how to improve this. So I still backtest this almost every day to see what time is bad, what time is good, which setups were better. Once again, what time it was better. It's better on silver, on gold. Yeah, sometimes it's nice to backtest this. I mean, not sometimes, always nice to backtest. I was tired yesterday because it was boring, like boring price action yesterday. It's garbage on NQ. Not going to even look at this, but going to keep my eyes on this level anyway. I'm not sure once again how much time it needs to take to go here, but that's my key area and that's it. This level had to be taken with this move down, so I could enter long to 27.02, but they scammed us. Yeah, me too. When we have slow move and price literally doesn't want to take any levels at all, we just inside tight range, moving up and down, and you're watching this for hours and think like maybe it's right time right now to break this, but in reality, no. Interesting, like gold right now is doing absolutely nothing, NQ is doing nothing, ES is doing nothing, silver also just stuck. Guys, let's talk about something. So it's a bit boring right now. It's getting boring. Ask questions. How do I use SMT? I mean, I do use SMT for ES and Q for gold, and that's it. So basically, for SMT, I use like for gold, I use silver as SMT, and not to confirm SMT, I would like to get once we got SMT, I would like to get OB right after this. If order block was offered after SMT, I consider this as strong confirmation that price made a trace reverse. Exactly for same for NQ. Let's say we got SMT with ES. So this means I will look for the order block to form on NQ after we got SMT. And once we got this SMT with order block, I will consider the trade. At least I can confirm, yeah, we got potential reversal. Do you like 15-minute open range breakout? No, I never tried that before, by the way. Yeah, my new video is going to be about gold strategy. It's going to be short lesson plus backtest session. Gold, yeah, I do use this as well. As you can see in my settings for SMT, I have that one. It's 10:30. Time to trap to equal lows. Gold, hello. That's my settings for SMT indicator. ICT SMT by FADI. I'm not mad. I made $600 on my short on silver this morning. So happy. Okay, let's have some fun. Because it's boring, so. I trade medium on a silver. One contract medium. Psst, of course. This is it, like scam price action. Gold is better. Anyway. 4 attempts, like guys, 4 attempts to take equal loss. 4 times it failed. Why? Yeah, we got 4 hour sweep. I saw that. See? Yeah, sometimes chart the difference with micro gold and gold, but I wouldn't touch gold like minis right now because kind of big range. So every trade is around like 8 points stop loss. Guys, 4 attempts to take equal lows. Maybe I need to double my magnets. I don't know why it doesn't want to move. I can, market makers. I can. Just let me know what you need to, what I need to do, like to push market lower. I'm just asking. I'm more magnets. What are you doing? Say thank you. It's because of my magnets. I'm kidding, but just funny. I wanted to shorten Q maybe like 15 or 20 minutes ago. Last magnet, like small magnet here. Like preferably to go there. But who knows? Who knows? Only this fair value gaps, that's it. Anything else was garbage. Oh, you sold NQ? Good job. Where is your target? At 700? At levels that I was aiming for? Okay, not bad move down. NQ scam. What was the problem to drop 20 minutes ago? We could be done for the day long time ago. See my small magnet? We should go here. Oh, 3 hour, love it. That's good. Exactly. Pointless consolidation. Like doesn't make any sense to me. Short. I mean, on NQ we want short like long time ago. We want to aim for 700 level, 697 to be more specific. In reality, they said, you want to short? Let's consolidate for hours. So they're going to stop watching NQ and they're going to drop that. So like, of course, classic. At least we were right with our bias. It's really good. See this garbage? Like unnecessary chop over here. Absolutely unnecessary chop over here. Ah. By the way, I don't feel bad right now about NQ. You know, I have better relationship with NQ. Yeah, gold took all my levels. Um, but structure, I mean, even model was exactly the same. 11 points. Okay. I would like to see 697. It was target yesterday. Because I want to enter the trade initially at this over here. But imagine to enter here and sit and draw down like 60 points. Like the most stupid decision ever. Like I want to enter here. Sit in this drawdown is crazy. And my target still remains the same, 20-minute flat candle. But guys, it was in drawdown 50 points. I mean, maybe with one micro it's not a lot, but overall, like, it's crazy. 90% retracement. Who needs 90% retracement? Gold is amazing. That's all I want to say. I think, like, yeah, I have my funded futures evaluation. Yeah, I'm just going to chase the kind of moves on evaluation. See my small magnet? W for magnet. Nice move. Power of magnets here. Small magnet hit our final level. I expect to get reaction from here. You know, the most annoying part right now, this long had to happen after taking this equal loss. On X, your meme game is strong. What? What are you talking about? No, I expect to get reaction. This reaction had to happen here. They just played lots of unnecessary games. Need one more magnet for NQ? Let's do this. More magnets! More magnets! Oh, you basically scalping? 20 makers is like 2 minutes. Yeah, looks like you're scalping. What credit card? I mean, what do you mean by this? Like, where do you live? I'm green on the day. I'm so happy with this. My trade was brilliant on silver. Like, I'm humble, but my trade was brilliant. I never was in Jordan at all. I believe I used Chase card, credit card to buy evaluations on Apex. Yeah, I think so. I trade, like ICT strategies. Like there are so many ICT strategies. I trade only one, and it's mostly for gold. So, for example, I executed this on silver today, but as you can see, it offered two good opportunities on gold as well. Let me share, guys, strategies of the trade because everything on my YouTube. Guys, the strategy trade on gold works every day, no matter what you want to tell me. Like, it doesn't work Asia. Like, okay, not every day, but 90% of the time we have Asia set up. So here's the model. For example, 2 days ago it was Sunday, right? It did not offer any setup, but yesterday it offered setup. So where is the model? Here's the link. Just post it. So what I want to say, guys, just watch this video several times, 5 times, 10 times, as many times as you need, and try to trade only this model on your evaluation. That's it. If you don't want to watch this, preferable to watch this, you can print this picture, put this on your desk. Where is this picture? Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you link, guys. Print this picture. M3, it's like potential sweep model. Turtle soup, right? So guys, if you don't want to watch the video, it's okay. Just print this picture. And then, if you forget something, there is like information about high time frame bias, which PDRs I use, for hourly SIP, what kind of order block you want to get, for 30-minute SIP, what kind of order block you want to get. So link above this video, but this week I will post another video about this model. Because guys, once again, I'm humble, you know this, but I promise you will be profitable with this model. Otherwise, I said this many times, you can block me everywhere. If you're not going to be profitable with this model, this means I did something wrong. I scammed you guys, block me everywhere. But I promise it's going to work. I'm kidding, but maybe not kidding. But once again, I promise it's going to be work. Video, I just posted link. Going to post again. For free. Exactly. How you can backtest on TradingView? It's kind of hard, but you can use replay mode. But once I post the video about Ghost Strategy, I will do giveaway for 1 year premium subscription on TradeZella. How do you like this? I hope you're gonna like this. Sounds good, right? Giveaway TradeZella after a new video about how to backtest this? Yeah, sounds like a deal. TradeZella, it's better. I like TradeZella more. TradeZella, guys. Yeah, I promise once again, I promise. After second video, if you're not profitable, so that's it. I did something wrong. I explained this bad. I know. You don't want to backtest? I will backtest on this video, so you will see how I do this. Can I win? I hope so. I hope so. Idea. Go for it. On NQ, we need to drop to 697. Otherwise, market is a scam. My win rate is 67%. Not bad. Always 2R. And SMC wallet for NQ. Guys, if you're interested in my indicators, grab to shove it. I need to add more magnets. Once again, if you're interested in indicators that I use, I have a video about this on my channel where I covered all settings. Market needs to go here, otherwise it's the biggest scam in this world. It's a joke if you didn't get this, but maybe not joke once again. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Guys, I will start streaming Asia as well. at least one time a week because I have kids. But I will show you how I do analysis on gold in Asia kill zone. It's pretty much straightforward, and I will try to take trades. As I promised, at least one time a week, I will try to stream Asia kill zone from 7:30 until 9 p.m. Maybe 9:30 p.m. Yes, on gold. But here's, for example, this setup on NQ. We just looking how it's going to play. I will post everything about this model in video. So new video is going to be a long video, but in that video I will backtest at least 2 weeks, like day after day. Not going to only pick winning trades. We'll show you everything, how process works. I hope it's going to be helpful. Potential 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB for entry. By the way, guys, don't forget to sign up for Ninja Trader competition. We are going to trade micro ES up to 10 micros. So, and price is money. So it's free competition, free entry. You're gonna get $10,000 initial balance. It's going to be sim environment. So we're going to trade sim accounts, 5 days. I'm going to participate as well. Who knows? Maybe I win, but probably I know. Like, guys, sign up. See the link above right now in the chat. Above last message in the chat. Sign up. It's free. I sign up as well. Going to participate in this. You know, I don't trade ES at all, but it's going to be a great experience for me to trade ES, at least to practice, you know. To practice to trade ES, frame setups. So for when it's going to start in 5 days, starts Sunday, September 14. So I will probably this 5 days will trade only this account on stream. Once again, I am not fan of ES chart, but it's going to be great practice. Gold is amazing, yeah. So guys, sign up. Let's try to win. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be my first competition ever. You will laugh? Yes, we will see. So I can trade up to 10 micros. There's no rules like daily loss limit or something like this. You can trade as many times as you want. 5 days, starting on Sunday, September 14, ends, I believe, Friday. Or Saturday. Yeah, Friday, September 19. Losing. By the way, last month I got one losing trade on gold. And this month so far only winners, but months only started. I would say so far just one losing trade in a row. But on NQ, lots of bad situations. I'm not perfect on NQ, I'm not going to lie. I know why. But for example, last month and second half of July was horrible to me because I had most losing trades and winning trades. Yes, you can trade only micro ES. Normally I take one trade a day, but for example, I traded Asia last night and I traded this morning before market open. Can I say like it was one trade a day or like 2 trades? I trade Asia and pre-market. Sometimes I trade AM session. I hope it's going to be this week. So I'm going to record recap on today's trade on silver. It's going to be, I guess, short on YouTube. It's going to be easier, just quick recap of this price action on silver. Once again, I cannot say like you need to leave NQ to trade gold, but this is what I did, and I'm happy I did that. So happy I did it. At least I finally see consistency every single day. Yes, sometimes I have losses, but once again, it's nothing. Come on, where's my magnets? My magnets on the other side. Opposite direction. Frank, you didn't try this yet? Are you serious? I mean, we will see. Like, I don't really like NQ so far. As I said, it's going to be perfect price action September. Uh-huh. I trusted them. Let's check yes. Really? See this, guys? I told you it's a scam. What was the problem to take this level? Mhm. Yeah, see. Yeah, I will stream PM session today. So, guys, I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV at 12:30 today. Since gold barely moving in PM session, I will check NQ. Yeah, I got it. So maybe I will clear all your questions. I will close your gaps on my new video. Yes, took previous day low level. Still kind of crazy to see this picture. All right. Never took 700 level, never ever. But once again, guys, we have PPI and CPI next 2 days. You just sign up for competition. Good luck. I also signed up for competition. So I hope we are going to do nice. Because first 50 traders in the top list is going to win money. It take London low. Better wait for next week. Maybe you're right. I agree with you. I'm pretty sure it offered at least 1 hour. 1.5 hours. So maybe no complaints. I already said it many, many times. But so far, maybe on NQ, it makes sense to just aim for 1 hour. I would say I use exactly the same concept that I trade on gold on NQ. Yeah. Exactly same idea today applied for silver trade. I traded what time it was? Like 8:15, 8:20 a.m. Took this trade. Posted executions on Twitter if you're interested in this. Not eligible for competition. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, guys. I would say even if NQ wasn't great today, gold was good. Silver was good. I'm not trying to force you to switch, but I'm trying to force you to think about this. Can you suggest a good risk management strategy? Once again, it totally depends on your how much you risk per trade. All you need to do for your perfect risk management strategy, just adjust your contracts. That's it. Have like default loss limit. For example, I want to risk $300 per trade. This is what I do most of the time. I always want to aim for 2R. No matter what, I would like to aim for 2R. Okay. This means if I see stop loss, let's say on gold 10 points, but I want to risk $300, obviously I'm not going to trade 10 micros. I'm not going to trade 5 micros. I'm going to trade 3 micros at this point, and I'm going to aim for 2R. This means I need to make 20 points. Of course, guys, every single concept that I explain here is on my YouTube. Second video about this model coming this week as well. How can you choose? Yeah, sometimes when I see like, okay, we have obvious draw on liquidity lower, let's say lower on silver, but I also kind of bearish on gold, but I see that gold does not want to provide any good setups while silver offered. I will go and trade silver. Guys, all you need to do, how my chart looks, you probably cannot see this, but how my chart looks, let me take a screenshot. My chart normally looks like this. See how many tabs I have? NQ, gold, silver, CL, like euro futures. So, and yeah, I'm trying to jump between charts to see where setup is better. I'm trying to prepare pre-market plan for each, and where setup is better, I'm going to trade this. For example, today, during pre-market, like at 8:15, as I said before, exactly same short was on gold, like yes, of course, but it was way better on silver. I saw this on silver, I entered on silver. That's what you need to do as well. Really, guys, I saw like many people on Twitter complain about price action, saying like, NQ was garbage, ES was garbage, I didn't take a trades today. I mean, that's fine. Okay, no trades, that's perfect. You didn't see your model, you didn't execute this. But the problem is, at the same time, they say like, okay, no trades, no, it was garbage price action. But at the same time, no one is looking at different markets. I'm going to repeat this again. Candlesticks are the same everywhere. Everywhere. Fair value gap is fair value gap on NQ, on gold, on silver, and any other markets. It's the same. Let me show you my watch list. It's the same everywhere. If, let's say, if NQ is bullish, it's going to invalidate bearish PDR and high time frame. Exactly same is going to be on gold. If gold is bullish, it's going to invalidate bearish PDR on a high time frame. It's exactly same approach. That's why sometimes, like, I was like this as well, like a couple of months ago. But just for now, I don't understand why people don't understand this. This is my watch list, guys. Futures. Let me, by the way, like do like this. Some stocks I'm watching. I have Forex, which I don't really watch. MNQ for some reason also there. Because once again, I'm going to repeat this. The candlesticks are the same everywhere. When this week, videos coming this week, guys. Not sure about exact day, but I hope by Friday. Best time to trade, guys. I posted. Here's the link. If you don't want to watch the video, here's a link. Print this picture with available time, what kind of PDR I use, and everything like this. How? Yeah, okay. Initially, if you cannot trade my, gold on my funded futures, can you please send me a message on Twitter? I will help you if you cannot trade on my funded futures gold right now. Probably because of trader weight. Please send me a message on Twitter. I will help you with this. Yeah, most of the time I'm watching CL, oil, silver, gold, and Q and ES. Sometimes euro futures. Like this on my top watch list. It's like 5-6 markets. That's enough, right, for the day. I trade futures. I don't trade CFD. In Q, took for our fair value gap. Maybe you can add high time frame fair value gap to. Yeah, I mean, I have high time frame chart on my another screen, so that's why I don't want to add lots of tronics on my chart because it's annoying when I have, even like right now on gold, it's annoying because I have lots of tronics on my chart. Let's delete some. Yeah, just send me a message on Twitter. I will help you with my funded futures. How how I decide which instrument to trade. For example, every single morning, like I'm at home normally at 7:50 a.m. because I'm dropping my kids to school. 7:50, 8 a.m. I just open charts like this, and I'm just looking. Okay, if I'm bearish or bullish on silver, on CL kind of garbage, on euro, for example, futures, and I just write potential setups that I want to trade. Yeah, it sometimes there is problem with market data. For example, when I opened NQ today, I told you my plan. I was like, okay, if it's going to close below 15-minute swing point, since we have fire sweep, I will look for a short to 30-minute flat candle. In reality, it was absolutely garbage delivery. Still didn't deliver there. Oh, Instagram, of course. But at the same time, I had a plan to trade gold as well. So I was looking for the drop to equal lows, and I was looking for the drop to hourly fair value gap on silver. And I was like, okay, if it's going to offer the action, probably I will look for long. So setup was offered for short. So based on my plan, I wanted to short from to our hourly fair value gap, and I want to short to equal lows over here. As you can see, it didn't play here. We got reversal, which I call like from nowhere. We hit my level 37.02 because my original plan with dropping down to equal lows, I'm long to this level. Okay, never play out. What I want to do? I don't have any levels here anymore because we're at all-time high. I will look for continuation to equal lows. That's it. Next level on gold. Yeah, same approach for bias like on ES and NQ. Yeah. Just trying to tell you guys that all you need to do just open several markets and okay, let's say okay, NQ is garbage, seek and destroy, which is basically what we have right now. Okay, just don't watch this. Open another market. For example, someone asked me if it's okay to backtest, like even if you master strategy, it's fine. For example, what I noticed on silver, not on gold, silver. What I noticed when we have potential sweep confirmed by 3-minute OB or 5-minute OB, let's say we have potential sweep, I know, like on 30-minute chart, but on hourly it's going to be exactly the same approach. We have potential sweep on 30-minute chart. We want to confirm the sweep by 3-minute order block. Perfect, amazing, confirmed. But what I noticed after this next move, next retracement, is going to be right to fair value gap. Right to fair value gap after we got confirmed order block, which confirmed the sweep. So as you can see, I highlighted this fair value gap. The very first retracement after this confirmed OB was to this fair value gap. So you want to ask me why I didn't trade this? Because stop loss is crazy huge. So I need to risk like $1,000 on this trade. But idea, for example, of this trade on silver this morning, it was 5-minute chart entry. See this hourly sweep, right? We don't have any fair value gaps on this way down. That's fine. What happened next? We got new order block. It's okay. Sometimes you're not going to have order block. Fair value gap, not order block. We got new order block here. Perfect, amazing. Price retraced to fair value gap, as you can see. Very first retracement. Perfect, amazing. Move down. So I could short from this level. After this, we created another order block. See? Why I keep highlighting these order blocks? Because with this move down, we didn't hit any high time frame level. So my task is just looking for continuation to hit high time frame level. Okay, I wasn't at home at this time, so obviously I missed this trade. I saw another order block formed. I'm waiting for the very first retracement to fair value gap. Once again, for silver, not for gold. I entered the trade over here. I put my stop loss at the swing high. I was aiming for my level. Yeah, I remember you shorted. You did amazing, Lucas. Good job. Good job. Trying to find executions to show you on silver. And here's executions on silver. So I made $600 on this trade. So like I'm short-term bearish on gold, but long-term I'm bullish, always bullish. Like some people say like macro does not exist. I use macro time 950 1010 micro. On gold it works so well. Pretty sure it's going to work everywhere like this. Yeah, as I said, like guys, I don't recommend to trade silver if you're beginner because with silver it's so easy to blow account if you're wrong with direction. I'm really picky with trades on silver because once again, why I put my stop loss at this swing high? Because I was risking $300, but ideally I had to put my stop loss at this swing high over here, but it's already $600 risk. So I had like kind of tight stop loss. I was ready to lose. Only for silver. This is what I discovered when I backtested this. For example, this approach does not really work on gold. I mean, sometimes, yes, we can get retracement to fair value gap. That's okay, that's great. But from my backtest, what I saw, what I noticed, on silver it works often. Often. These micros for silver, it's going to be SIL. Why lots of people type MSI, but MSI is stuck. So it's not futures. So for micro, we use S. Let me type in the chart. Micros. Minis. I'm going to connect Epix accounts because I just set my Ninja Trader, so I need to connect Epix again, and I will see if Silver works there. Micro Silver. I'm short on bearish on gold. I don't mind to see lower. No, look at this. We got order block over here. See this? Very first it into fair value gap. I trade reaction, so I don't need any more, like any other entries. For example, we got fresh order block over here. We got fresh order block over here, but price already delivered us to key level, so no reason to enter again. I mean, yeah, of course, we dropped lower. That's nice. That's amazing. But my target for the day was hourly fair value gap. That's why I closed my trade here. Oh, no. I'm short-term bearish on gold, but long-term bullish. And that's funny to say, but I trade exactly the same model, like on gold, silver, CL. I didn't touch CL for months because CL was. It could be better, but still. Oh, you're welcome. So happy to be helpful. So next level on gold is 3669, basically 70 level. How many epics? 20 epics funded accounts. I passed them last Tuesday for one day. I had epics for even more than 6 months before. I blew them like 3 weeks ago. Epic then launched 90% off right after I blew this epics like 90% off. I was like, perfect, amazing. And that epics I was trading only NQ. Epics accounts were only for NQ. So right now I have fresh 20 funded accounts again. It's still beginning balance. I didn't touch them yet. Going to start trading them. I hope maybe tomorrow. Trading Jordan absolutely fine with this. I trade small size. When I'm only trying to build the buffer, 3, 4, 5 micros. I don't care about trading drawdown at all. It's not going to kill my account. Trading 3, 4, 5 micros, right? You get nervous. Like it's really about like no risk, no reward. I know, like I didn't have problem with trading drawdown. I scalped gold. I passed with 6 scalps on gold. I tried 6 times, 6 winners. I passed accounts, trading 1 mini contract. I was scalping for 4 points, 3, 4 points. It wasn't that bad. I would say last Tuesday scalps on gold was easier. It was easier. I risk $300 per trade to aim for 2R to make $600. Yeah, you probably want to tell me like why you don't trade minis or something like this. You know, I will be like maybe bad trader, but I trade micros. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. I mean, I trade minis sometimes, but when my accounts at the beginning balance, I don't want to like full port them immediately to get payout. I'm slowly building the buffer. Yeah, risking $300 per trade. Oh, how to pass evals? Scalping this? I'm horrible scalper. Depends. For example, during Asia, since it's small, relatively like small stop losses, I trade 2 minutes during Asia kill zone. It's a lot, I know, but I'm pretty much confident because Asia usually offers solid setups, like A plus most of the time. That's why I trade minis. It's only when I trade minis. But mostly I trade 10, 15 micros on gold. I trade 1 mini on silver, and on NQ I trade 5, 7 micros. But for Apex, new Apex accounts, I will trade 3, 5 micros, not minis. So, yeah. I'm going to trade small at the beginning. I just need to build the buffer somehow. It's going to take maybe 2 months, but yeah. Keep dropping. Yeah, it's a nice move. Okay. If it's going to displace below the sell side, like displacement, we should get free fall over here to this area. 48. 48 means like we need to drop 18 points. Oops, like this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, right. I calculate this in my brain. Like, if it's like 5 points, okay, with 1 mini, it's going to be like $500. But for example, with 6 micros, acceptable. Potential sweep, absolutely. Let's, where I can show this? I guess on, let's do more an example. Don't want to go like to previous days. I'm going to ask questions, you're going to answer these questions. It's going to be easier for everyone to understand what we're talking about. Okay, my first question for you guys. Answer quickly. Do we have sweep right now? Do we have sweep right now? Answer quickly, guys. Yes, no. Well, the sweep confirmed? Yes, no. Like, it's 100% sweep, or we still can go lower. If confirmed, type 1 in the chat. If not confirmed, type 2 in the chat. Was the sweep confirmed? If yes, 1 in the chat. If no, 2 in the chat. Mm-hmm. What was the question? 2, that's right. It wasn't confirmed. So in order to confirm sweep like this, yeah, it looks like perfect sweep, but we cannot say for sure if it's going to, maybe it's going to be like continuation lower, just retracement, continuation lower. So in order to confirm this, we need to switch on lower time frame, and we must use time frame alignment chart. So for example, for our chart, we'll offer 15 minute. Come on, Dasha. 1 hour will offer, I will explain what I'm typing right now in a moment. This means in order to confirm sweep, we need to switch on lower time frame using our time frame alignment chart, this small time frame alignment chart. So let's say right now we have 30-minute chart. You can see at the top of my screen. This means in order to confirm this 30-minute sweep, we need to switch on 3-minute chart. And on this 3-minute chart, we need to find order block. So this means once we got potential sweep, we want to see order block formation within this range between open of this candle and low of this candle. Within this range, we want to find OB. So guys, next question. Do we have order block right now? If yes, 1 in the chat. If no, 2 in the chat. Do we have OB right now? Yes, 1 in the chat. No, 2 in the chat. If we have order block right now, you type in 1 in the chat. If you don't have order block right now, we type in 2 in the chat. Interesting, like lots of 1s, lots of 2s. But the right answer, we don't have it. Right now, we don't have order block at all. Yet. So, I want to wait for the closure above sequence of down close candles over here. And once I can get the closure, I can validate this as valid sweep. We got valid sweep. This means still no order block. Okay, going to wait. Still no order block. Still no order block. So we got sweep, but we didn't get the closure. And we finally got the closure. So right now we have valid sweep confirmed by order block. So I want to enter at the open of next candle. I want to put my stop loss at swing low. Let's do this from the very beginning. So once candle opens, I want to entry. My entry is going to be at the open of next candle. Swing low is going to be my stop loss, and I'm going to aim for 2R. Always aiming for 2R. So be waiting for the open of next candle, like we want to enter right now. How can I buy this? Where is buttons? I know. I cannot see buttons to buy. It's okay. Anyway, like imagine I bought this. My stop loss at swing low. I'm going to aim for 2R. That's it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, you know, I always use mini like gold, and I execute on micro gold. This market replay, yeah, it's market replay. I just was trying to show you example from today to explain this. So yes, at this point, see, it's 8-point stop loss. With 1 minute, it's going to be $800. It's okay, don't worry. With 5 micros, I'm going to risk $400. So yeah, you can enter with 5 micros here to aim for a 2R. But as I said before, ideally, I want to see exactly the same move, but from equal lows. I could take this as well, but equal lows. Once again, I still consider it was kind of from nowhere. But I hope this part makes sense. This is what I'm doing every single day, just trading this strategy. I'm going to be at TradingView in 1 hour at 12:30. We can take a break for 50 minutes. Guys, yeah, let's take a break. Or we have any other questions. For example, now we have our sweep. Let's, by the way, exactly the same situation happened on NQ today. Let me show you what we had on NQ. For example, we got sweep on 4 chart, and using time frame alignment chart, we need to get 15-minute OB to confirm the sweep. This order block was formed over here, so we got sequence of up close candles, right? That's why I was bullish on the day when you asked me about the bias. I want to short at the open of next candle once we got OB, like here, seems like. And I'm going to aim for 2R. Oh, it's a joke? Guys, see this? Okay, it was close to 2R, but approach is the same. Oh my god. 24 and low this candle was. It was 2 points away. What app do you... OBS. Continuation model. I believe it's going to be just next and next. You need to wait for the next candle open and enter at the fresh OB. I explained this in my video. How to trade continuation or how to scale, like to add to your position. But once again, same approach. For example, using 4 chart. Sweep. For example, where I could enter here, we got next candle over here. So I could look for the, for example, to scale to position or enter again at fresh order block. This means I need to enter at the open of next candle. I'm going to put stop loss at swing high, and I'm going to aim for 2R as well. Where's 2R? Where's 2R? Pretty much the same level. We never hit this. Scam. You got the point, right? Any other questions? We can take a break for 50 minutes, and I'm going to come back by PM session to stream this with you. Where did you explain this? I see someone didn't watch my video. Okay, I remember this. I remember this. This video. Oh, because I'm in replay mode, so I showed what happened in the past. I'm going to stream at 12:30 p.m. New York time. New York time at TradingView TV. So, this is what I'm going to backtest in my new video. This is what I'm going to cover again in my new video. Yeah, guys, I will see you in 1 hour. Let's take a break. I need some coffee, I guess. Oh, no. I mean, like, I was looking for short only. Yeah, guys, let's take a break. I will see you on TradingView TV in 1 hour. We will try to look something on NQ, but I hope it's not going to be garbage. Maybe we'll trade something on gold. Who knows? Maybe gold will offer something solid. Yeah. See you soon, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes within this 1 hour. You're very welcome. Link. Don't leave. I'm going to send link first. First, I'm going to send you link. Okay, share, copy. Here's the link, guys. Don't worry. Here's the link. I'm going to stream here in 1 hour. Yeah, I hope we are going to get something for PM session. I hope so. Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube, on their YouTube at 12:30 p.m. Okay, guys, see you in 1 hour. Don't make stupid mistakes. Be all smart people, right? Save these questions for Steam on TradeDefy. I will answer. Guys, if you're going to have any questions about sweep model, think about them. I will answer them on TradeDefy TV. Okay? So, yeah. See you soon, guys. Late. Yeah, in 1 hour. See you later. Bye bye.